In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this compact cordless drill on Amazon, which is the Mylek. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I could be pronouncing it wrong, but the Mylek compact drill, which is 18-volt drill, and it comes with some cool features which we're going to go over in this video. But before we do that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. But let's get into it and see what the drill's features are. So the first thing we're going to look at here is the different torque settings. You've got 1 to 18, all different torque settings, as well as a drill feature if you want to drill into masonry or wood, so you can use that. It's also got 2 gear speeds, high and low, as well as a keyless chuck, which is good to see, so no looking for those keys. And it has a variable speed trigger, so depending on how much you press the trigger results in the power that's coming out of the drill, which is good to see, gives you ultimate control. Here you've got your selector for reverse and forward, as well as the battery indicator there, which illuminates full color when the battery is full and depletes when it's losing power. It also comes with the illuminating light, so you can see what you're drilling at night, as well as the switch there at the top for the high and low speed gearbox. You also got an easily removable battery which charges, which is 18 volts lithium ion, so it comes with the charge as well, and that charges at the back. It also comes with this nice carry-on case, which I think is really good, and within the carry case you get some extra features. So opening up this hard case, you see you get your charger, obviously the space to keep the drill there as well as a few bits that you can see. I've used this drill quite a bit, so not only do you get the charger in the box there with some decent long cable, you also get some bits. So you get some universal drill bits, you also get some screw bits there as well as a bit holder. So I think there's 13 pieces altogether, and the drill fits nicely in the case there, so you can keep it safe and carry it around with you with ease, which is a really good feature I think of this drill package. So here you can see the drill is powerful enough to drill into masonry. I have it in the drill setting. I'm lightly just scoring the plaster so I can get a nice hole, and then I can drill straight into it to the depth that I need required to put my fixings. You can see it's very powerful as well, and it's illuminating where I'm drilling. Now I bought this drill in May 2021, so I've had this drill for a long time, and here's some of the features that you can see about this drill. If you want to know more about this drill, drop a comment down below in the comments section, or check out our other videos about power tools here as well, and of course subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next tech video.